Well, hello random YouTube people. Do you have a broken key on your Apple Magic Keyboard? In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace it. Right after this.
Subscribe.
So you've got a broken key on your Apple Magic Keyboard. Mine is the delete key. I have my old broken key and the new key side by side here. You can see on the new key, this section is what connects to the butterfly mechanism underneath. But on my other one, those clips are broken and missing. Here's a better look at that broken hinge clip piece. Yeah, I'm not going to be able to fix that. If yours is in a similar situation, you're going to need to buy a new key. I purchased my new keys from laptopkeyreplacements.com. On their website, you can use the navigation menu to find the type of computer that you have, and then you'll be able to select the type of keyboard that you have on that computer, whether it's a laptop or an external keyboard. Once you locate your correct keyboard, you'll be able to select which key you need from that keyboard. In my case, I need a delete key. $6 a key might seem expensive, but it's cheaper than buying a whole new keyboard. Delete key came in the mail. Let's open up the packaging and see what's inside the bag. As you can see, it replaces everything about the key. The butterfly mechanism, the button, and the delete key faceplate itself, and the metal hinge. Looking back at my keyboard to the delete key, if I pop off that faceplate, you can see that my metal hinge here is pretty bent. So that I'm going to replace as well, not just the faceplate. The butterfly mechanism here technically is still working good too, but you know what? I may as well replace everything since I have a brand new set. But before I do any of that, I'm going to use this cleaning compound, which does come in the kit when you purchase the new key. It's a gel substance that's really good at collecting dirt and dust, and it also technically says it kills germs on the bag. So I'm just going to dab that down into the key area to get as much dirt and grime out of there as possible before I start messing with the button. And as you can see, that cleaning compound really does do a pretty good job at getting out the dust and debris. Now moving on. If you don't want to pop out the old butterfly mechanism, you can take the new button faceplate with the attached hinge and install it onto your keyboard. You can see there are some metal hooks. The metal hinge piece is going to attach to those hooks that you see right here, and then you can just push the button down like you're going to press on it like normal, and that should clip into place. You will need to push down with some force so that this faceplate can clip onto the butterfly mechanism. But I'm not going to do that because I do want to replace this butterfly mechanism as well. Now I could yank out the old butterfly mechanism with my fingers, but because I want to keep it as a spare just in case, I'm going to use this small screwdriver to pop it out. And I'm going to take a flathead end and just pop the old butterfly mechanism out just like this, taking it over beyond those little metal clips that you see. Once the butterfly clip is detached from those bottom clips, you can just peel it right off. The kit does come with a new center button piece that you can install, but this one looks like it's glued on there, and I don't want to sit and re-glue it or anything like that, so I'm just going to leave this center button piece where it is. Onto the new butterfly mechanism. Put the butterfly mechanism on first, like this, making sure that it's on the other side of the clips, just like you took it off. You are going to want to make sure you push down on the top as well. There are these little slits, and on the other side of that is a little clip, so you need to push down until it connects. Now go grab your new button with the attached hinge clip piece, and you're going to attach it to those little metal hooks that you see on the keyboard itself. Then you're going to push down firmly on this button. I like to push down from the middle of the button and then do the top and the bottom. Once the button is in the correct position, you will hear a definite click sound to know that you are connected. Once you have verified that the button is in the right position and it works correctly, you are all done with this project. Thank you so much for watching. If you found any part of this video helpful, please give this video a thumbs up, share it with all of your friends, give me a comment, and be sure to
Subscribe.
Subscribe.